Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out list of top 5 best PCP Air Rifle in 2022. If you are a rifleman no matter using rifle for hunting or shooting, then you should be well aware of the fact that PCP air rifles are more popular than other CO2, gas piston and spring rifles. It is equipped with advanced air compression technology, which give a great threshold to the pellet. Here we are going to enlist the top 5 PCP air rifles for your best selection from the numerous market offerings. It will help you to compare these offering and get one which suits best to your need and well fits to your budget. We make this list based on our personal opinion and average research. For further information you should check the links in description below. Okay, so let's get started with video.
It's about time for a new boss, specifically the new Bull Boss Bullpup from Hatsan USA. Compact, powerful, and most importantly extremely accurate. The new Bull Boss puts lead in the center of the target with each pull of the trigger. With features like a multi-shot rotary magazine, adjustable cheek piece, and quiet energy technology, the Bull Boss has no equal in the affordable bullpup airgun category. The advanced bullpup configuration allows for a very compact profile, yet retains all the power and accuracy of a full-size long gun. Incredibly affordable and available in 177, 22, and 25 calibers, the Bull Boss is capable of producing 42 foot-pounds of energy, satisfying any hunter's need for putting down small to medium-sized game. Don't let the small size fool you. The Bull Boss has the power and accuracy to slam targets out to 100 yards and beyond. The Bull Boss may be small, but it hits big. Are you ready to be the boss? Get the new Bull Boss from Hatsan USA. There's only one Hatsan. Serious, solid, impact. New for 2018, Gammo introduces a line of tactical big bore air guns, the Gammo TC-35 and the Gammo TC-45. The Gammo TC-35 is very quiet due to the integrated moderator and very lightweight thanks to the carbon fiber tank. This 35 cal big bore air gun can deliver up to 170 foot-pounds when shooting 190 grain cast ammo on full power. On the other end of the scale, it also delivers up to 30 shots when shooting 81.02 grain pellets on low power, while still delivering exceptional energy and consistency. The TC-35 is an extremely accurate and versatile precision big bore air gun capable of taking a wide range of medium game, varmints, and predators, as well as great results on the range. Stepping things up significantly, the Gammo TC-45 delivers massive power in a lightweight and quiet platform thanks to its integrated moderator and carbon fiber tank, producing over 400 foot-pounds of energy while utilizing a 350 grain cast slug. There's very little that the Gammo TC-45 couldn't put flat on its back. Shot count with the big cast ammo is a solid 5 shots. For hunters and target shooters who want a bit more speed and shot count, you only need to run lighter .457 round ball or cast ammo, capable of well over 900 feet per second with 138 grain .457 pellets. The lethal range of the TC-45 stretches to 100 yards and beyond. It's a bold new world for adult precision air guns, and once again Gammo is leading the way with their new Gammo TC-35 and Gammo TC-45 big bore air guns.